Introducing ClickBank University 2.0. ClickBank University 2.0 is the only online program dedicated to making you your very first ClickBank sale, created by the team most qualified to do that, ClickBank themselves. Like I said, here at ClickBank, we have a unique advantage. Every day, a tidal wave of data rushes through our systems, and it's all painstakingly analyzed to give you priceless intel, like which products, niches, and markets are making the most money right now, which traffic sources are converting the best and making the most sales for our members, and which tools, tactics, and techniques are stuffing the most money into our clients' pockets. Now, we can share that very same information with you. ClickBank University 2.0 has been built from the ground up to provide you a roadmap to ClickBank success like no other. While other programs may dump a truckload of content on you, video after video, PDFs, audios, epic 3-hour trainings, the reality is, by being overloaded with content, you're actually being shortchanged. And you're left spinning your wheels, desperate to figure out the best path for yourself. Feeling overwhelmed, you remain frozen, stuck, afraid, maybe just worried about making the wrong move and unable to take action. That's why it's important to realize it's not your fault. Here at ClickBank University 2.0, we do things differently. That's why our members are so pleased that they find us. Finally, they've got a simple, proven roadmap to follow. And we want you to start generating income with ClickBank. Why? Well, it's because your success becomes our success. And so you know, that's not some cheesy corporate slogan. It's true. ClickBank only makes money if you make money. So let's help you. Let's work side by side and we can generate fortunes together. Guaranteed, no other program or course out there even comes close. They simply don't have the data, the knowledge, and the intel that we have. That's why ClickBank University 2.0 is the only proven path to success with ClickBank.
Now you've already seen a handful of the success stories we've helped create with our training. Regular people making extraordinary income using the power of the ClickBank platform. Think about it like this. You have an insanely powerful wealth-generating tool right in front of you, totally free to use. It contains so much opportunity. It's vital that someone takes you by the hand and walks you through every feature, every trick, and every tool and technique. And that's exactly what we'll do. In our new improved and fully upgraded training portal, we'll guide you step by step to building your very first ultra-profitable ClickBank business. That's right. We're going to clear away all of the foggy confusion, literally telling you what to do and when to do it. There's no excuse. With ClickBank University 2.0 by your side, on your laptop, iPad, or even smartphone, suddenly everybody has the opportunity to build real wealth online. In fact, we'll go one step further and we'll even certify your ability to generate income online. Yes. Inside ClickBank University 2.0, we're offering an official ClickBank certification for the very first time. You can't get this qualification anywhere else. Once certified, you can feel sure you have the confidence, the skills, the know-how to generate ClickBank income and to do it practically on demand. You have what it takes. So from this point on, making money on the internet can become almost second nature. Plus, we've recently introduced a new series of trainings inside ClickBank University called CBU Crash Courses. These are bite-sized mini courses designed to help you master a new money-making skill. For instance, the YouTube Crash Course will show you how to profit with YouTube, even if you don't want to be on camera. In the Copywriting Crash Course, one of the world's top copywriters reveals how to write copy specifically for ClickBank products. And in the Marketing Avatar Crash Course, you'll discover how to figure out exactly who wants what you have to sell.
Here's what's really cool. If you've never made a single cent online before, or you're just getting started, that's actually even better. Why? Because you get to skip over all the mistakes, the pitfalls, the snafus most online entrepreneurs make when they're just starting out. Believe me, these can be fatal, crushing your hopes, dreams, and ambitions. After all, the internet is littered with half-built products, unfinished sales letters, and wasted affiliate campaigns. The majority of people get all excited when they start out, and they're full of hope and visions of money pouring in, and then they hit the first sign of trouble. Maybe there's a technical hitch. Maybe they can't generate any traffic. They lack the expertise they need in a particular moment in time, and they give up. With ClickBank University 2.0, that's not going to happen. Not on our watch. You get to avoid all of the heartache and skip to the fun part. We're here to teach you, to train you, to guide you all the way to that very first ClickBank sale. And from there, well, the sky really is the limit. Now, just before we deep dive inside the university prospectus so you can see exactly what you get, here's something you may not be aware of. The vast majority, and I'm talking close to 90% of the members inside of ClickBank University do not sell their own products. That's not how they make their money with ClickBank. So what do? Simple. They promote other people's products. Remember, that's how I first got started. By sending traffic to ClickBank offer pages, you can make commissions as high as 75% of the retail price. And you don't have to worry about a product, a sales page, even a website to make an absolute fortune online.
What's more, ClickBank makes it so easy to get started. If you can cut and paste a line of code, you can get rocking. And when you have our step-by-step blueprint to follow, it becomes easier than ever before. Again, you're getting training from the team that practically invented this method of income generation online. You can't get this anywhere else. However, making money with other people's products is only one part of the curriculum. We know that once you have a few $100 extra a month coming in, you'll want to scale things up further. And the easiest way to do that is by creating your own offers based around your passion. You'll find out how Alex is ranked 31st in a list of the most influential people in the world in Hispanic markets thanks to his ClickBank business. How Nick's income shot from $50,000 to over $300,000 because of his digital book on fat-burning foods. And how Michael rebounded from the brink of bankruptcy to build a six-figure ClickBank empire. We kick off with the very basics to get you up to speed fast. And then hold tight because we've outlined and sequenced the training to help you get to the money part pronto. All you have to do is watch one training video at a time and follow the simple instructions. We imagine what we would want to see if we were starting out today. What would get us making money the quickest with the least amount of hassle? And I think we've delivered that for you. And even if you've already attempted to make some money online, here's why ClickBank University 2.0 is like nothing you've ever seen or tried before. It's a proven path, a roadmap, a blueprint that you can follow step by step. Each video not only increases your knowledge, it literally boosts your income potential. And remember, Adam, Justin, and I have already followed this path, and our success speaks for itself. And the best part? Inside the training area, you'll see we don't just give you follow-along training videos. We're there to personally guide you to success. You can even direct message Justin and me inside. And finally, with ClickBank University 2.0, you're getting a proven path to financial success from the definitive source. Nowhere else can you access training so comprehensive and so time-proven to work because it's been collated from tens of thousands of success stories right across the ClickBank network. And it's been streamlined into a proven system. Now remember, this is the new, improved, and fully upgraded ClickBank University 2.0. That means you'll regularly get expert tutorials from marketing superstars, people you've probably heard of, like Gary Vaynerchuk, ClickBank super affiliates, and top vendors who will drop by each month to give us all the juice on what's working right now in online marketing. Here's the clip from our interview with Gary.
What is up, ClickBank University? What I've learned is most people are crippled because they like 10 things. Just pick one and never look back. The thing that's not okay is to complain and do nothing about it. Then they're sitting and saying, now what? Nothing. Do. If you died tomorrow, would you be pumped? If the answer is no, if you're going to live with regret, you've got to try to do this.
We're talking real celebrities of online marketing. They too know the power of the ClickBank platform. We'll also be talking with the top ClickBank clients, people that are bringing in millions of dollars each year and all happily sharing strategies on how they became hugely successful.
Well, when you work for someone, you have to work 9 to 5. And the other thing is you plateau out on how much you can make when it comes to a living. I don't like having a ceiling. I like to work when I want to work. That kind of ended up being my motivation to look to see what else was out there that I could do that would remove that ceiling, that allowed me to work whenever I wanted to work. And so then that's kind of how it worked. I took what I did in the clinic and the little workouts that I did in the clinic to help people with their shoulder pain and knee pain and this and that, brought them online and made it available to everyone in the world. And it started off with like one sale a month, and one sale a week, and then one sale a day. And then it's just kind of progressed from there.
Then there's our monthly live masterminds. Each month, we'll hold live trainings on the hottest topics. Let me give you a sneak peek of our past topics, like how we've built 61,000 subscribers in 1 month by leveraging social media apps. A case study on how one ClickBank client is generating $106,000 a month online, plus behind the scenes of a $200,000 a month paid traffic funnel generated from Facebook ads. You also get access to the crash courses. We're talking trainings from A-level copywriters, insider secrets from traffic titans, and what's working now with well-known marketing mavens, and much more. We know that you'll have questions, and that's why Justin, Adam, and I are right there with you in our weekly Q&As to answer your most pressing queries live. Remember, we're right there with you every step of the way to your first ClickBank commission. And we'll even share our private Rolodex and toolkit. Contained inside, you'll find all the tech providers, essential services, and special deals you need to get up and running, simple, quick, and easy. You'll get the best tools for building a list, getting your website live, where to find the best and most affordable hosting, a crash course in analytics, screen recorders, webinar services, our favorite outsourcing platforms, and more, all with how-to PDFs, checklists, videos, and starter guides. Save huge amounts of time and money learning all of the shortcuts and tricks to getting things done effectively and often for free. And we've not even mentioned our live events. Yes, we'll be hosting our very own live events, and we'd love for you to join us. That's why, as a member of ClickBank University 2.0, you're eligible for massive savings on the entry fees. Guaranteed, there are going to be life-changing events, not only because of the knowledge you gain, but the lasting relationships that you'll build. Inside the Total Traffic Center, you'll learn how to generate almost unlimited traffic practically on demand. You see, over the past couple of years, we've realized traffic is a big stumbling block for many of our members. That's why we've created brand new modules to deliver all the latest traffic training and easy to follow video tutorials. And now you know exactly where to go and what to do to unleash a flash flood of traffic to your own offers or to someone else's whenever you want. And finally, the ClickBank University private forum community. If you asked me to name the #1 way you could speed up your success with the ClickBank business, it would be this. Get involved with a mastermind group of like-minded people, success-seeking people who are there to encourage, critique, and inspire you along the way. We've created the ClickBank University private forum community so you don't have to go at it alone. Guaranteed, you're going to want to spill your success stories on the forum, motivating others to reach higher and shoot for the stars. And in turn, when you read other people's success stories, you too are going to feel that rush of excitement as you realize that if they can do it, you can do it too. There's nothing more powerful than tapping into a brain trust of folks all on the same journey to wealth that you are. Honestly, I can't think of a more valuable addition to ClickBank University 2.0 than the forum. You're gonna love it. And it's all free as part of your membership.
Now, you may be worried about the price of this program, thinking it's probably a little bit out of reach. After all, you can't expect to build a sustainable online business for anything less than thousands of dollars, right? Well, the good news is you're not going to have to invest thousands of dollars. You're not even going to have to invest hundreds of dollars. Here at ClickBank University 2.0, it's our wish to provide you a can't-fail blueprint for creating an income online. And we want to make it affordable for everyone. Remember, we want to inspire and create 1 million successful ClickBank entrepreneurs. Because of that, we've put together a very special deal for you. Click the button below right now